I'm going to show you the difference between single opt-in and double opt-in when you're using SMS Bump, and I'm going to tell you which one I recommend and why. Okay, so first let's start off by answering the question, what's a double opt-in when we're talking about SMS marketing and how to create it if you want to go down that route. So first off, single opt-in, like the image just shows here, is when somebody enters their phone number on a subscription form, or in our case for Shopify stores using SMS Bump, when they get to the checkout process and they're entering in their phone number, their email, their address, and things like that. Once they enter in their phone number, if you set it up correctly, SMS Bump will capture that subscriber, and now they're subscribed to your marketing list. They're already opted in. A double opt-in means that you now have to send them a message first, and they have to reply to that message and agree to receive marketing messages from you. The results from that have been terrible for me across multiple stores, multiple accounts that we manage for customers in my agency. So I'm recommending everybody to do a single opt-in when using SMS Bump. Check out this store, for example, here, the results that I'm getting before doing double opt-in, and then after I switched to single opt-in. We got way more sales, total of 8 orders here just from switching that one thing there. So 100% I recommend single opt-in from now on, and this is how you're going to set it up in case you already have double opt-in, you want to switch back. Super, super simple. You're going to go to your Shopify store, to your app section, and we're going to go to SMS Bump, and then once it gets loaded here, you're going to go to settings, scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to see single opt-in here. You probably have this set up for your double opt-in, either standard or strict, but just go ahead and change it to single opt-in. It's that easy. Click save, and you are now updated. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give me a subscribe and a like. It really helps the channel out. If you have any questions about SMS Bump, also let me know in the comments. I'll make more videos like this one. Thanks.